Okay, everyone. So let's start this question in the very same style of question that we have been solving. The directors of Moorland Company, a company which has 75% of its operation in retail, 25% in manufacturing. They are again trying to find out their average cost of equity. Now, in this question, again, we have been provided with two things. We have been provided with retail industry and manufacturing industry equity beta. Now we all know that equity beta cannot be averaged down to find out the average average equity beta. That is not possible. First of all, let's solve for asset betas of both the companies. So step number one, calculating. See, these things are not required to be written down in the exam. I'm just writing it for your understanding. Asset beta. What is the first industry? Retail industry. Retail. Now retail में asset beta. What is the formula? Sir, beta asset is equal to beta equity. Beta equity is given as 1.2 multiplied by what is beta value of equity. Sir, 80. 80 upon value of equity 80 plus value of debt. Sir, 20. 20 1 minus t. Tax is given as.
Sir, I have one question doubt. I used ChatGPT, right? So it gave me a simplified formula.
That is not it. This
Could
is
you,
very simple, to be honest. I don't know about ChatGPT answer or formula, but still, what was that?
uh, beta equity divided by
Hmm.
1 plus bracket 1 minus tax, then bracket debt divided by equity. This is for decaying.
I guess this one is easier because see
I
in
think
your
it's both
exam,
the same.
they will, but most of the questions in your exam will give you
Yeah,
proportionate things. Still, you do one thing, just give me the formula.
write down the formula you have written.
I'll
Can
just
give me some
recheck it once.
all that.
Okay, but for the typing, let's use this only. So what is my beta set over here? 0.92. Now let's take up the average. So retail ka what was the average asset beta? I'll calculate. So it was 75 retail, 25 manufacturing. 1.02 into 75% plus 0.9 25%. So what will be my final amount? No, that is very close to me. Very close. We can directly take. So this is my asset beta. Now can I go and calculate my beta equity? So asset beta equal to 1 equal to beta equity multiplied by. Now what is the total capital of the company? %50. 35 and 50 upon how much everyone? 1.7 is the beta equity.
Could you write down the formula for beta?
Same formula. Over here, just a change. Beta asset is given, beta equity needs to be calculated.
Okay.
Same formula. Now beta equity, now the CAPM formula, risk-free rate, which is 3%, equity risk 6%.